So, how are you? I hope that you are fine. And again, motion chapter and with some numericals of graph that I told you in the previous video also. That now we will solve some numericals that are related with the graph only, important one, and that will come, important from exam point of view also, in competitive exam also, and in your class exam also. So, without any further delay, let's get started. First question is like this. See previous video. If you didn't see the previous video, so please firstly check out that video, then come here. Otherwise, you will not understand that what we are doing. Okay. So see, distance time graph. Graph is looking like this. And for example, if we are taking some random values, this is 10 and this is 20, like, and this part is 5, this part is 10, then again this part is, for example, 15 or 20, whatever you want to say. Okay? So time is given on this side, distance is given in this side in meter, time is in second. Question is asking, tell us about the speed. Speed, calculate speed. Speed when object is moving. When object is moving from first part O to A, second part A to B, and third part B to C. How you will do, bacha? See, it's very simple. Already we told that slope means what? In distance time graph, slope means speed, because y-axis divided by x-axis, distance by time is what? Speed. So what we will do, see in case of the OA line, its starting point here and the ending point is here. How to calculate slope? Formula I told you, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So we will take 2 points on this graph. This point and this point. Now see, what is the value of y2? y1, this is 0, 0. Okay? This point is 0, 0. And at point A, this is what? 5 and 10. क्योंकि x कितना है इस point के ऊपर 5, y कितना है 10. Coordinates we always write in the form of x, y. So when we will calculate, y is 10, y1 is 0. x2 is what? 5, x1 is 0. So 10 by 5, it will be 2 meter per second. I hope you got it. Slope calculate करना है. हमें path है O to A. So we will take 1 point here, 1 point here. We will apply y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, and we got 2 meter per second O to A. A to B. Now see, if this is the graph A to B, so 1 point is A, 1 point is B. For both the points A and B, y and y2 is same. In AB case, y1 and y2 both are same point, na? So this is the 10 both are same. So slope, speed we can say, or slope we can say, it will be y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now see बच्चा, y2 minus y1 क्या होगा? 0 divided by anything. 0 divided by anything is what? 0. So speed of the object during A to B, it will be 0 meter per second. Okay. Now after that, if we are talking about B to C, in this part, if we are talking about, so what will be speed? कैसे निकालोगे? We can calculate speed. Again, 2 points we will take. One is B and one is C. Okay. So in B and C point. Okay. One more thing I want to make you clear. See, when it is going from A to B, this graph is like this. When we see the distance time graph, and if it is like this, so what we said, that body is moving with equal distance in equal interval of time. It is that? No. When we say body is at the rest, speed when 0. So this is the same case when the body is at the rest. That is not moving. In the further part, what is happening? B, C now, speed will be 2 points B and C. For this point, 20 and x-axis पे कितना है? 50. पहले x लिखेंगे, then y. 15 and 20. x, y coordinate. B point पर x is 10, y is also 10. Okay. So calculate y2 minus y1. 15 minus 10 divide y2 minus y1. 20 minus 10 divided by x2 minus x1. 15 minus 10. So it will be 10 by 5. Again 2 meter per second. So we can say velocity of the object is 2 meter per second here. Velocity is 0 here, and velocity is again 2 meter per second here. So we consider this displacement time graph, then we will say velocity distance time graph, so it will be speed only. Okay, so these kind of the question come and you can calculate the speed. For example, I am giving you one more numerical, you can try it by your own. See how you will do. This is again, if I am saying distance time graph, and yeah, it is like this, only this point. Okay, origin, and this is point here, it is 10, here it is 20, and I am saying that find out the journey of the object from O to A. So what will be the journey bacha? O to A, take any point. In graph paper when you will do, you will get to know the values by calculating, when you will draw perpendicular, you get to know what is the value here. So now what we will do, because graph paper is not here and we don't know these values, so we can simply say this origin and this A point, because origin we know 0, 0, and A point, x is what? 20, y is what? 10. So now again apply the formula, speed will be y2 minus y1, so it will be 10 minus 0 divided by x2 minus x1. So x2 is 20 and x1 is 0, so 20 minus 10, so it will be 1 by 2 meter per second. So you can calculate speed from displacement time, velocity from displacement time if you are talking about, but in our syllabus it is distance time. So we can say that speed we can calculate from the graph like this. Okay, so now next numerical on the graph is, check out this numerical now. This numerical is based on the velocity time graph. Object start its journey from here, then B, then C, then now is coming back to the rest at D. See bacha, again I am telling this is velocity time graph, negativity is possible. Displacement time graph can come downward because it can negative. But if you are saying this is distance and this is time, you will not show the graph in the downward direction, because distance cannot be negative. So this graph is given velocity time, and the question is what is the distance traveled in first 2 seconds, then the next 3 seconds, then in the last 1 second. You need to calculate the distance in all the 3 cases, and you need to tell the slope also in all the 3 cases. So what you will do, I will do one case, and the other 2 cases you will do it by yourself. Just practice it about you. Practice it. Okay. So first case O B. This is the path O to B. Object is going. What I told you in velocity time graph, distance can be calculated by calculating area under the curve. So O to B. This is the area. What will be the area? This is looking like a triangle. So area is half into base into height. Base to height 15. So 15 meter. This is the distance covered in O to B. Now B to C, when you will calculate, you need to calculate this area. This will be rectangle. When you will calculate C to D, you need to calculate this area. Okay. So what you will get the distance covered by the object. The next part of the question is about the slope. How to calculate the slope in the 3 parts. So first part O to B. If I am talking about slope O to B. Formula is what? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Again we will take the initial point this and the final point this. At this point origin coordinates are 0, 0. At the point B, x की value कितना है? 2 and y is 15. So what is this? y2 minus y1. 15 minus 0 divided by x2 minus x1. 2 minus 0. So what will be the acceleration? 15 by 2, and it will be 7.5 meter per second square. Okay. Second case B to C. Now again you need to do 2 points. Take 2 points. Now y1 and y2 both will be same. B1 B के लिए भी y1 same है 15. C के लिए भी जो y2 है that same 15. So y2 minus y1 0, and 0 by anything is what? 0. So slope will be 0. Now come to the CD part. Slope C to D. Now see bacha. This is the initial point. This is the final point. Initial point पे coordinates क्या है? What is the value of x? 5. What is the value of y? 15. Here, what is the value of x? 6. What is the value of y? 0. Because object comes at the rest now. So now do y2 minus y1. Now this is the initial point. Initials are x1, y1. Finals are x2 and y2. So y2 minus y1 0 minus 15 divided by x2 6 minus x1 5. So what will be this? Minus 15 by 1. Minus 15. negative 15, it means it will shows retardation. That what I told in the like that part जब हम लोगों ने लास्ट वीडियो किया था जिसमें मैंने ग्राफ बताए थे. आई टोल्ड यू दैट व्हेन द ग्राफ इज कमिंग डाउनवर्ड, सो इन दैट केस स्लोप विल बी नेगेटिव एंड नेगेटिव एक्सेलरेशन इज नोन एज द रिटार्डेशन. सो आंसर विल बी negative 15 meter per second square. Okay, so this is the question. Now one more question I am giving to you for the practice that you will do. I will not do it on the board, but I am writing here so you can practice. So only these kind of the question come. You need to find out the slope, or you need to find out the distance covered by the object. Okay. See. Velocity, time is in second. Velocity is given in meter per second. And object is going like this. This is point O, this is point A, this is point B, this point is C. Okay, this is 10, 7, this is given 20, this is given 40, and this is given 50. Okay, so this side time, this side velocity. This is the question. You need to tell me slope, slope in OA, AB and BC. Slope in all the three parts, and area, or we can say distance traveled by the object, distance O to A to B and B to C. Calculate three parts here. This question is for trying. You will do it by yourself and you will give me the answer in comment section and I will check out. Okay, so now we are moving to the next question. In this question, the velocity time graph shows the motion of a cyclist. Find acceleration, velocity and distance covered in, okay, we will give some time. Distance covered in 15 seconds, for example. Cover in 15 seconds. So how you will do, bacha? By seeing this graph, you can say one thing very clearly. When the cyclist is moving from here to here, so what is this? Velocity is constant. Acceleration क्या होता है? Change in velocity divided by time. Now there is no change. Velocity में तो कोई change ही नहीं है. It is 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. So 20 minus 20 will be what? 0. There is no change in the velocity. So first part answer will be what? Acceleration will be 0. Second part velocity. Velocity, by seeing the graph we can simply tell velocity is what? 20 meter per second, because there is no change in the velocity and that's why acceleration was 0. And velocity, by seeing graph we can clearly tell that it is 20 meter per second. Third part of the question is what? We need to calculate the distance in first 15 seconds. 0 to 15 at this point. Draw perpendicular from here. Distance VT graph में कैसे निकालते हैं? Area under the curve. So up to here, calculate this area. This is looking like rectangle. So what will happen? Length into breadth. Length is 20, breadth is 15. So what will this? 300 meter. For example, if someone is asking you calculate the distance till 25 seconds, so you need to calculate this complete area. In that case, what will happen? Here it will be 20 into 25, and then it will be 500 meter. So you can calculate area also. So I hope that you got these kind of the question, that how to solve, how to find out the area, how to find out the distance covered, how to find out the slope. VT graph gives us this acceleration and area both, distance both. But if you are talking about the distance time, that will give us the speed only. Distance time graph we cannot show in the negative direction because distance cannot be negative. In case of the velocity time graph can go in upward direction also, graph can go in downward direction also, because velocity can be negative. So this was all about that I wanted to tell you. So please practice more questions. Any doubt you can ask me in the comment section. Please take care of yourself, your family and your environment, nature. Happy, healthy. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a good day. Bye.